In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install a Facebook pixel on WordPress, step by step. If you want to track visitors, measure conversions, run retargeting ads, or improve your Facebook and Instagram ad performance, installing your Meta Pixel correctly is absolutely essential. The good news is it's actually very simple, and I'll walk you through everything from getting your Pixel ID to connecting it inside WordPress. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical WordPress and marketing tutorials. All right, let's get started. Step 1 is to get your Pixel ID from Meta. Before we even log into WordPress, we need to create the pixel inside Meta Events Manager. So open a new tab and go to Meta Events Manager. Once you're there, look for the green plus button that says Connect Data Sources. Click that, then choose Web and click Connect. Meta will now ask you to set up your pixel. Give it a clear name, something like Agency Site Pixel or Your Business Name Pixel, so you can easily recognize it later. Continue through the setup process, and once the pixel is created, you'll see a pixel ID displayed on the right-hand side. It's usually a string of around 15 numbers. This is very important, so copy that pixel ID because we'll paste it into WordPress in the next step. Now step 2 is to install the PixelYourSite plugin in WordPress. This is one of the most popular free plugins for adding the Meta Pixel because it handles everything in one place without needing to touch any code. So log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, go to Plugins and then click Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type PixelYourSite. You should see the plugin appear in the results. Click Install Now, wait a few seconds for it to install, and then click Activate. Once activated, you'll notice a new PixelYourSite option in your WordPress sidebar menu. Step 3 is to connect your Pixel ID. In your WordPress sidebar, click on PixelYourSite. This will take you to the plugin dashboard. At the top, you'll see a section labeled Your Meta Pixel, formerly known as Facebook Pixel. Look for the button that says Click for Settings and open it. Inside the settings area, you'll find a field labeled Meta Pixel ID. This is where you paste the number you copied earlier from Meta Events Manager. Carefully paste your Pixel ID into that box. After that, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click the blue Save Settings button. This step is crucial because without saving, the pixel won't be activated on your site. And that's it. Your Facebook, now Meta, pixel is officially installed on your WordPress website. From this point forward, it will start tracking page views and sending data back to your Meta Events Manager account. If you want to double check that it's working, you can use the Meta Pixel Helper Chrome extension to confirm that the pixel is firing correctly on your website. Now you've learned how to install a Facebook pixel on WordPress the easy way, using a free plugin without editing any theme files or adding manual code. This setup allows you to track conversions, build custom audiences, and optimize your ad campaigns with real data. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress and digital marketing tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a follow-up video on setting up conversion events or advanced tracking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.